Hello and welcome, it's the Glam Philosopher. Today's video is a little bit different from the ones we usually have on our channel. In this video, we are going to talk about finding your timeless or finding your signature makeup look. If you've been following TGP around, then you might have guessed what I mean by your timeless makeup look. And if you're new here, hi, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you want to find yourself in fashion, style, and beauty. This channel teaches you just that, and so much more is to come. So, your timeless makeup look. How do we find that? Now, first, I want you to go through your phone's photo gallery. Select and make a new folder of all the photos in which your makeup is fly, on point, okay? And we are going to go through it together. I am going to help you deduct your style of makeup, colors, brands, techniques, etc. So let's jump right into it. Now, I really want you to look at all the photographs in which you think your makeup is phenomenal. Just look at it. Observe. What is something you like about a particular look? Maybe it's the lipstick shade or the way you've applied your concealer that lifts your face. Maybe it's the mascara that really elongates your lashes or the technique of your eyeliner. Something that you really like. Chances are you're going to see a pattern of things, and that is exactly what we are looking for. A very signature kind of look. This becomes your signature because you are going to be using this look as your go-to. So we want something that you have seen yourself being comfortable with in the past. And if, say, you find a new technique or product which complements this look, you can incorporate that in it. If you don't see a pattern, then congratulations, you are an individual that feels comfortable and confident in wearing different kinds or styles of makeup. Next step we want to move ahead with is make an itinerary of your signature with other elements. Say for example, your signature is your lipstick shade. Then you can probably try out different eyeliner techniques, add or deduct however you feel best. This creates a range of your own signature to choose from. If you're someone who does not have a signature, then you're gonna wanna permutate and try out the different combinations of the looks you've already tried out from your own photos. For example, if you have always worn a red lip with mascara, then try it out with a liner of another look. This becomes your range. And what you want to do is really try these looks out to see if you are comfortable with them. And the last step of this would be to curate. Now that you have all the looks in your range, you want to curate a couple of looks from them. If you had only a couple photos to begin with, then you probably would have one or two signature looks ready for you. If you had many photos to choose from, then you probably still have a range, and if you think you need to niche down, then you can probably do the whole exercise with this new range of looks. If not, then you have more creative freedom. And yeah, that was it for today. Comment down below if you enjoy doing this exercise. Like this video to see more videos like these, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Well wishes until then. Bye.